Hey everyone! Welcome back to Beals Drop. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the process of depositing linear Ethereum to MemeFi, the fun tap-to-earn Telegram mini app that brings SocialFi and GameFi together. I'll be using Bybit to show you how to fund your account, buy Ethereum, and make the deposit into your MemeFi wallet. But remember, you can choose any other exchange or bridge you prefer to handle your Ethereum. Also, heads up, MemeFi's token is set to be listed on October 9th, which is just around the corner. So, let's get started. Alright, before we dive in, if you don't have a Bybit account yet, go ahead and sign up and complete your KYC verification. Alright, first things first, let's fund our Bybit account. We're going to use USDT for this. Make sure to fund enough USDT for your needs, including any fees. Now, if your USDT or funds are sitting in your funding account, you'll need to transfer them to your unified trading account or spot account first. It's pretty simple. Now, let's head over to the trading section and pick the USDT/ETH trading pair. Enter how much USDT you want to spend, and place a market order to buy Ethereum. Easy peasy. Now that our Ethereum is ready, you'll only need about $2 to $3 worth of Ethereum to cover gas fees. Just a heads up, the transaction will cost about 0.0002 ETH for gas fees. Okay, now pop open the MemeFi mini app, go to the wallet section, and copy your linear wallet address. Once you have that, head back to Bybit. Now, let's talk about the withdrawal process. If your funds are in the spot account or the unified trading account, you'll need to transfer them to your funding account before you can withdraw. Think of it like moving your money to the right pocket. Now, and head to the withdraw section. Enter the amount of Ethereum you want to withdraw to your MemeFi wallet. Make sure to select the linear network for the withdrawal. Next, paste the linear wallet address you just copied from the MemeFi mini app into the withdrawal address field in Bybit. You'll only need about $2 to $3 worth of Ethereum to cover gas fees. Make sure to select the linear network for the withdrawal. After you confirm the withdrawal, you'll need to complete the security verification, which includes your email and Google Authenticator. Just hang tight for a few minutes while the transaction processes. Once you see that your Ethereum has been deposited into your MemeFi wallet, you're all set. This Ethereum will help cover the gas fees when we withdraw MemeFi tokens before they get listed on the centralized exchange, CX. And that's how you deposit linear Ethereum into your MemeFi wallet using Bybit. If this video helped you out, do me a favor and hit that like button, subscribe to Beals Drop, and drop any questions or suggestions in the comments below. Stay tuned for more crypto guides, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading. Bell Z.